Welcome back, friends. We have discussed up to the kind of how the cost of debt, cost of equity, cost of preferred can be calculated. Cost of debt, we have used the YTM of the debt. Cost of preferred is too straightforward. We have used the dividend divided by share price. For cost of equity, we have used either CAPM or CDGM. In CAPM, the formula will be risk-free rate of return plus beta multiplied by risk premium. So risk-free rate of return is we can take the 10 years treasury return as the risk-free rate of return, and for beta, either you can calculate the beta or you can use the published beta. So there I promised you to show you to how to calculate the beta in the spreadsheet. Let me explain you how we calculate the beta in the spreadsheet. So say for example here the date is given from 2013. Normally what happens, you calculate the beta, the standard practice is taking 5 years, but it depends on 5 years daily return you can take, maybe sometime you can take 3 years also return to calculate the beta. And some people, some experts, they take the weekly data, uh, but for a long period, maybe 7 years or 10 years. So it depends on the analyst, how he looks into the data, how what is his purpose, kind of. But for explaining you, here you can see the date range from 2013 1st October. The date range starts and it goes up to 1st October 2018. So the data has been taken for 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So the data is being taken here, and it is taken 5 years monthly data being taken here. 1st October 2013, 1st November 2013, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 6 years data being taken here for more accurate data. And some analysts, they take 3 years data but daily return. It depends. So S&P return is given here, S&P closing is given here, Amazon's closing given here. So the price which was 364 in 2013 is become 1789 in 2018, and you are seeing the trend now. So I mean to say here, the market closing is provided here and S&P closing is provided here. Now question is, calculate the return from the closing. So calculate return for S&P, calculate return for Amazon. How you do that? The current day closing minus previous day closing divided by previous day closing. So and all this, before doing this, what you can do? You can format the percentage. You can do this like this. You can format it to percentage if you want, right? So it gives you the percentage data. So closing, today's closing minus yesterday's closing, or this month closing minus last month closing divided by last month closing in my case here. So it's 2.8% for S&P, 8.13% for Amazon. You do it for uh, you know just let me first of all go for the formatting and percentage. Then you can go for 2 digit or maybe 2 digit formatting. Then do it for one. How we do it? Closing of this month minus closing of last month divided by closing of last month will give you the return. Once you do this, stretch it to fill right, then do this for select the date range, when you up to what you want to fill the data, control D. So you get the kind of returns from the market, return from the stock. Now it's the question for beta. Beta can be calculated as equal to, write down please, if the formula we use for calculating beta is slope. So once you click on SL, it is showing you slope, and it is asking you y value and x value. Here y value is the dependent variable, how your stock is getting affected by the market return. Therefore, y will be the stock return from here to here, and comma x values. X values will be the market return. And enter. Will give you the beta of the stock. It's in general, bring it to format, make it formatting number, so it will come, the beta will come here. Just a minute, hold on, and hold on your question please, I will come back so you can make it as red. So this is the way we calculate the beta. Same like you can calculate the alpha, because we are doing here. So I will explain you how to calculate the returns, or the variance of the, like the measure of risk, variance of the measurement of risk we do it through beta, measurement of return we do through alpha. That is equal to, there is a function called intercept. So you can use this intercept function to calculate the alpha value. How? Again, the value of y's. Here y's is the Amazon return. So I have given the y's. Then value of x. Value of x you can calculate through the S&P return. And close it. You get the alpha value. So again, go through the formatting, make it number formatting. So this is the way, this we can write as the beta of the stock, beta of Amazon, and this is the alpha of Amazon. So just a minute. Let me stop the recording here. I think someone has a question. Just give me a minute.